Hey guys, what's up? It's Kinsey, and today I am sitting here in a national park in Hawaii backpacking. It is the start of the new year, and I'm just so stoked to be out here. I had to fly with my backpacking gear, and so I thought I could make this video to teach you guys and show you guys some best practices for flying with your backpacking gear, what gear you can bring, what gear you need to leave at home and buy once you get to the place that you're going. Because there are some things that you absolutely cannot fly with, whether they're in your checked bag, whether you're in your carry-on. So let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about bags. When flying with your backpacking gear, you've got 4 solid options: 2 reusable luggage choices and 2 disposable ones. For reusable options, you can go with a large duffel bag or a sturdy hardshell suitcase. For disposable choices, consider an IKEA bag or even a cardboard box. The best choice depends on whether you'll have a place to store extra items while you're out on trail, like a car, hotel room, or a friend's house. If you're heading straight from the airport to the trailhead without storage options, one of the disposable choices might be your best bet. Now let's cover the items you absolutely cannot fly with: gas canisters and bear spray. These are prohibited in both carry-ons and checked bags, so they'll have to stay at home. If you need bear spray, I recommend renting one from a local outfitter or buying a can when you arrive and donating it afterwards. As for fuel, it's easy to find at local gear shops or even stores like Walmart in most areas. Next, let's talk about what must go in your carry-on. Lithium batteries, like camera batteries and power banks, cannot go in checked luggage. Be prepared to pack them in your carry-on to avoid any issues. Now for the gear that's best suited for your checked bag. While TSA rules can slightly vary by airport or agent, here's a good rule of thumb: if it could be used as a weapon, check it. This includes your trowel, spork, tent stakes, multi-tool or knives, and trekking poles. For trekking poles, make sure to cover the tips with rubber caps to prevent them from damaging your bag. If you travel with camera gear, you can check it or you can put it in your carry-on. Most people prefer to have it in their carry-on so they can ensure that it doesn't get damaged. However, if I pack it in my Pelican case, I don't mind throwing it in my check bag. This is totally a personal preference and is up to you. Thanks so much for tuning in, y'all. I hope this video has helped you feel more confident about flying with your backpacking gear. Remember, a little preparation can make all the difference in ensuring your adventure starts off stress-free. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's planning their next outdoor escape. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on outdoor adventures, faith, and stewardship of the beautiful world around us. Until next time, happy trails and safe travels, y'all.